Well, like
We're at Brian's least favorite level. Go, Jesus! No, yeah. You're still in it.
Still win everything.
Yep.
You can.
You still win the $1 billion.
$1 billion.
You can win that one textbook for next semester.
One textbook.
Yeah.
What Amazon
So you guys look like 200 something?
Yeah. My hands are all like, my nerves in my hands are all like going crazy. What? Hey, you can relax, man.
Chill out.
Beth. You get severely close to use when you come to
Nice.
Yeah, nice
So what?
spike. That
Wins
was
are
so in the
racist.
wrong direction, Shelton.
Hey, you were in the wrong direction.
Was I? Was I really?
Purple. It's you.
Ah, damn. I was gonna do it.
I know.
Alright, Andrew, plan.
Plan.
I need to get to my teammates. Okay,
Right there.
This guy.
Right there.
This
Don't
guy.
die.
Right here. Okay, this guy, yeah.
Edge guard.
That's a shame.
No!
It's just, when he was playing, I was like, hoping he wouldn't roll into it.
How did Zach lose?
Oh, I cannot roll with this controller.
He like lost 2 lives.
Like,
Do it.
I'm trying to run with this controller. This is horrible.
Oh, we still got one more chance.
Grand prize of money. Let me do the thing. Let me do the thing.
Brian's just dicking around.
Brian,
What?
fight.
I don't want
Keep
to.
your eyes open.
I think Zach's got it.
For being fair.
It's mine. Tag me.
Muhammad just stands and watches.
Jesus does all the work.
Yeah, what the heck? Why is Jesus doing everything?
Brian,
Fine.
I didn't tag you.
Tag me. Tag me. Tag me.
I probably feel better about that.
Just give him the stick.
Does he get the kill?
Oh, he fell down. Right, yeah, just,
Wrong button.
you don't even need it.
I didn't die. Take that.
Yeah, there's nothing left.
Go stick him.
Just kill him.
Be a sticker.
Oh!
Winner.
That's a long
Game, guys.
Is that your second one? Yeah.
I'll go just send it.